an incursion would be somebody flying unauthorized over the Baltic states. If that happens, we will be sent there to show them that we are aware that they're there, showing off our armament, and hopefully that'll be enough for them to turn back and realizing that they're in the wrong place at the wrong time.
We've tripled the air presence roughly in the region, and the purpose, as I say, is to show an air presence, to demonstrate commitment to NATO solidarity, and to be able to respond appropriately to any inappropriate activity by other parties.
We know that together we are strong and resolute. We also know that words are not enough. Here, right now, we are not only using words. This is real action, a show of real capability.
As the security situation in Europe changed during the recent months, the Danish government was quick to offer F-16s for strengthened Baltic air policing. The presence of fighter wing Skrydstrup shows that Denmark stands by our friends and allies, and the Baltic countries are both.